So this video is especially for the people who are looking to join different institute. Coming to my case, I came from academia. It's been almost 10 years having 2 JRF, 2 times UPSC IAS interview, pursuing PhD. तो मेरे पास इतना ज़रूर अनुभव है. I can tell you what could be the right thing for you. So I would like to request you to join the membership program. Only economics video. Apart from the membership, I keep uploading, I keep updating different things, be it UGC NET JRF, be it IAS, be it CUET. So all the exclusive videos coming to the economics, coming to the career. There are lots of institute apart from the DSC, GNU and IGDR that where admission. After the admission, you will definitely get very good opportunity for the placement, be it private institute, be it affordable institute. So lots of things, be it in the Bangalore, be it in the Mumbai, be it in Hyderabad, be it in Pune, be it in Delhi. So I will be definitely guiding you according to your marks, according to your future goal, according to your target, and what do you want to do actually. And if you are really confused, please feel free to connect me here in the membership program, and I will be helping you. I will be definitely reading your stature, your और दैट व्हाट यू वांट, व्हाट यू नीड. बहुत को गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तैयारी करनी होती है, बहुत को कॉर्पोरेट में जाना होता है, बहुत को आरए करना रहता है, बहुत को वाईपी करना रहता है. सो लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड एट द एंड आई विल बी ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग यू फॉर द नेट जेआरएफ एडमिशन. कैसे प्रपोजल बनाना है, कैसे कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट आपके लिए अच्छे रहेंगे. जैसे साइड बाय जिनको गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तैयारी करनी है, अगर आप परस्यू कर रहे हो PhD, you need not to join IIM, IITs and all. Why? What are the lacunas? What are the other scholarship apart from the JRF and all? So each and every time I do help students, so it becomes my obligation, it becomes my commitment if you people join that. So please click here to join our membership program, okay, regarding all the economics, counseling and future health. Take care. Wish you all the very best.